Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay! 4. Same pa rin ah.
You always go scissors. But I thought you were gonna switch it up because you didn't want to lose.
Okay. This way.
1.
Because I'm a good girlfriend, I'm gonna do that. Ang sarap ng calamari.
Mm.
Salivating.
No.
And see it in your eyes, though. Sa to?
2.
Baka maubos nito. Ubusin ko naman to.
Three. Wow. Hindi ka kukuha ng isa pa dyan? Oh, okay.
Kaya I'm a good girlfriend.
Hmm. Walang fair. Sabi nga natin, hindi na mag-ano eh.
Madali ako mabusog.
Okay. 4? My turn. 6. I got 6. About to finish this day. Ilan na lang ba to?
Baka dalawa yung sa akin. Magkadakit lang.
I'm gonna finish it.
Sarap siya dong.
I got soggy. Calamares.
Let's go! I'm gonna drink water.
First bite.